Welcome back to the channel. Just a quick one today, reviving these slabs as they've not had any TLC for quite a while, as you can see. Keep watching till the end to see the end product. This literally took 10 minutes to do, and just a bit of DIY goes a long way, really. It's not difficult, you don't need any fancy tools to do this. Just a lawn edger and a brush, really. Find the edge of the slab and then slice down it with your spade or your lawn edger. Just keep going straight along until you've got to the end of where you need to go. And slide your spade along the turf, releasing it all up. Then pick away and it should come off as easy as this. And there you have it, job done. All it needs now is a quick pressure wash and completed. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.